The 2009 GMC Acadia. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.